Actually, this is a musical instrument that makes clapping sound. I just have to put the wooden strips inside the handle and the musical instrument is done. Also, we can change a little bit the sound by moving the handle more to the middle. Another way to change the sound is to put wooden pieces between the sticks. So if you are a musician, you can experiment and you can find different ways of playing and different sounds with this musical instrument. Also, you can play like this or like this. That was the video for today. Very simple musical instrument. In the future I will show you more difficult and more interesting musical instruments, so don't forget to subscribe.